Hey, hi traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you can hear my voice properly, you can see my screen properly. So today I'm shooting this video from my own house, and this is my father's home. And as you can see, there is a coconut tree which is there inside the house. That is the specialty of this house. My father loves the coconut tree, so that was there before even I was very small child, and from that time the coconut tree has been there in my house. So we have built the house around the coconut tree. So it is right in the house for us. So today's session will be an exciting one because today we are going to talk about one intraday strategy on Bank Nifty, which can give you a sure shot 2,000 rupees per day if you follow the rules properly. And this is a very hedged position, and you can use this every day on Bank Nifty, especially Nifty. You can use it, but the gains will not be that much. But definitely, if you want to increase the quantity, you can do that on intraday. So let's analyze Bank Nifty to start with. Here we are on Bank Nifty. We are having a monthly chart. So as you can see, this is our setup, which is green bar ignored setup. But as I mentioned in my previous video, the closing was not below the previous month's candle, and this month's candle is a green candle so far. It has opened little higher, and it is likely to cross this level. If this level is crossed 21,986, then we can expect a bounce to 26,000, and from there we will see if the market gets rejected at this level, because this is a strong previous level support. It may have to draw a line here. You can notice this place. This was the place it was getting rejected previously, and after that it started taking support here. Support 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then it broke this level. So this will become a major resistance now, which is 24,279 till 26,000, because this moving average is also likely to come down in coming days. Okay, so now let's go to the weekly time frame. I hope the recording is on. Yeah. So on weekly time frame, as you can see, this is one of the setups which we have. So let me open my so here. So there is some shortcut error. Every time I open a big pen, something happens and the recording stops. So I'll fix it. So if you notice, this is one setup, which is our bull 180 setup. The complete red bar has been taken out by a green bar, and our entry has been above this. You can see the market is going this way, and there can be a resistance at this level. Okay, so this will act as a resistance, which is 22,659, and let's see where this week the market, if this crosses, then it's a bullish sign for us. Next resistance will be our 200 period moving average, which is 25328. So this is going to be in a very narrow range, because there are a lot of hurdles ahead. One is this moving average 20, and then we have our super trend as well as our 200 period moving average. So market can remain in this tight spot for some time. So you can plan your strategies like that on weekly time frame. So let's move to a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, we can see that this is a reversal candle. Even this says doji star bearish. It's a reversal pattern, and there is a red bar, but this green bar is not good, because it says that it is going to be a bullish trend from here. This has given an indication that it can be a bullish trend. And if you notice, what is the open and high for this? Let's fix this here somewhere. What is the open? 20431, and low was 2388. Okay. So I'm expecting, because the volume, if you see the volume here, Usually whenever you see a reversal bar, volume has to be high. Here the volume was high, but this candle doesn't give a clear direction. If we get another red bar crossing this line, then we can expect the market to come down, that too till this moving average, and if it breaks this, then it can come down to the level of this support, which is your 18,664 to 17,547. So this can be the range. So let's move towards our 15-minute chart. Okay, so I like drawing trend lines on these charts, 15-minute charts especially, because they really work well and they give you a clear perspective. So let's draw a ray here. Let's pick the lowest point and connect the bodies. Okay, so this is one ray, and then from this point, let me connect this. Okay, so there is one more support. So this is where it consolidated for a while and then it gave a breakout. So, but I can see that this can be a very solid resistance, this particular zone, this one. Okay, so it can enter, either the market will open into this level and drop from there and come down till the super trend. Let's see how is the VWAP on this time frame. VWAP is also very critical if you want to use this on a daily time frame. I'll tell you one special thing about VWAP is that the moving averages change according to the time frame. Super trends also change the value according to time frame. But if you see VWAP on any intraday time frame, if you take it on 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes, it is the same constant value. So you can take that as a China wall for you for the trend change. If it is sideways, then market will go up and below the VWAP. So you can see it has taken support, nice support on the VWAP, and then it pushed forward. So today the strategy which I am going to talk about is a sure shot strategy. It's a very simple strategy, and it is for office going people, and they can definitely stay relaxed looking at this strategy and ensure that they can make money from there. So what are we doing in this? This is a simple debit spread strategy. Debit spread strategy is that we are buying an in the money call or a near at the money call and then a selling out of the money call. So for example, let's look at the Bank Nifty now, which is at 21,185. So let's go to the chart, equity derivatives, and then go to Bank Nifty. So here, what is the at-the money straddle? It is 21,000. This is for the expiry 11th June. So we are having a 615 rupees premium, 422 rupees premium. You can see all the puts are losing. That means market is going up. So our strategy should be on the bullish side, and we have to find a bullish strategy the moment we see the price is above crossing VWAP and crossing to 20 period moving average, crossing super trend. So you can take triple confirmation. Usually I use super trend on a 15 minute, but the strategy is simple. If you are expecting the market to go up, our strategy will be you take a 21,000 strike, buy this 615 and give a 300 point range and sell this 21,300. Okay, let's see how it works on the options chart. I hope the data today is shown is correct for us for calculations. If not, maybe you can check this on a real-time basis on tomorrow. So 21,000 call is priced at 529. So let's see. I hope it's correct. 21,000 call is at 529. So we bought at 21,529. 21,000 call at 529. So our profit starts only when it starts to go above 21,530. Okay, and the profit is unlimited. And the loss is 10,598, which is your fixed loss, because whatever premium you have paid, that is your loss. Now what we do is we go and sell at 21,300. 21,300 call. Okay, we sell the call one number. So now let's see the diagram. So now the diagram has changed like this. My break-even point is 21,142. That means the spot has to go above 21,142 so that I can start entering the green zone where I can make the profit. The profit I can make is about 3,163. That is for expiry day. That means if it becomes completely zero, then I'll make this profit of 3,163. Otherwise, my max loss is minus 2,837. So this, assume that you have taken this intraday position, okay, and your view is bullish, right? Now let's see what happens if I change the ratio to 2. I bought one call of 21,000 call, and then I have sold 21,300 call twice. So what was my initial view? My initial view was bullish, 21,000 call, and I was expecting the market to go up. Now I have sold 2 calls of 388, so the direction of this strategy has changed towards downside. But now where is the market? Market is at 21,034. Okay, so listen to this carefully. Break even is 21,846. So that is your 21. This is your point, 21,846. So if the market starts moving up immediately in intraday basis, your position will be like this, and you have seen that the market is above the super trend, 15-minute super trend, and it is above the VWAP like this. Let's go to the chart and let's see 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this, okay, assume that you have made this strategy when this, first you had a bullish view where you have made a debit spread and your direction went wrong. Okay, your direction went wrong and you have made an initial strategy that is showing you a maximum loss of minus 2,837. So you have seen that it has broken the 15-minute super trend. Now what you do is immediately go and sell one more call. So that means, let me show you again. This was your initial position. You thought market will go up. You made this position, and in the chart, then market suddenly collapsed from here. Right? This super trend is broken. Then what you do is immediately you add one more call here in the sold call. So you're changing the direction of this debit spread and you're giving it a room so that the profit is 4,924. So your profit is locked now. Even if the market starts going big time in the opposite direction till here at this day end, you are in good profits, which is 494. That means you have made an initial view which went wrong, but still you were in the profit because of this adjustment at the end of the day. So what if the market starts going up from here? Then also, if the market starts going up, assume that it starts going up from this point. It comes till this point and it starts going up back. Assume that it has given a big, it goes like 100, 200, 300 points up. At 21,252, your profit is about you will be in profit, about say 4 to 5,000 profit in intraday, right? At this level, because it is peaking here. So immediately you can square off an exit. But there is one catch, that you have to keep a watch here. If you have made this position and did this adjustment, you have to keep a watch that your break even is not met. The moment you see the price is moving till this level, you have to cut down your trade. Either you will get out in good profit, or there will be minute loss, okay, which is fine for you to take, because that's not going to happen on a daily basis. The market cannot reverse like so much on everyday basis. So you will face a loss at here. The loss will be undefined, because you cannot say how much it will be. The loss can be really big if the market starts going 3,000, 5,000 points down, or if you hold it for next day, it can go 3,000, 5,000. But why would we do that? We will keep a watch on the market, and if it comes to this point, just you can keep an alert on your mobile that if the market touches 21,300, send me an alert. So immediately you get this alert, you square off your position even if you are at office. So that's how you do it, and you will end up in good profit. So the screenshot which I shared on my YouTube channel, that was by this strategy. I'm telling you, this strategy works really well, and I'm not able to spend much of the time doing intraday trading, so I keep these positions every day. I'm also working, so it becomes really helpful, and you can always change this direction. So let me repeat the strategy first. You create a view and take this debit spread in that direction, and the view changes basis the 15-minute super trend. On your sold call or sold put, you are going to increase the quantity by 1. Okay, so practice this with 1 and 2 lots and see if you are able to accept it. It is a very simple adjustment. You don't have to worry much about. You just have to keep a watch on the spot and exit if the break even is coming close. That's it. So practice this, and if this works well for you, then try to increase the quantity, and depending upon your capital and the leverage provided by the broker, you can do very well by using this strategy. So I use Zebu as my trading partner, because that gives me 20x leverage, and intraday I can sell one bank nifty lot at about say 2,800 or 3,000 rupees, and the service is superb. So if any of you are interested to open that account, you can drop me a comment with your mobile number. I will ask the team to get in touch with you, and you can start using that. So that's it, guys. That's it for this week, and I'm telling you that strategy works really well, and please do try it on a daily basis. And I'm really thankful for all the people who are following me and appreciating my efforts. I really enjoy and take time every weekend to do this, and I will continue to do that. Let's see how it goes, and I'm doing this just to educate people and put them on the right track with whatever knowledge I have. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day ahead.